Hey students, this video is going to go over discussion 4A, understanding irony. Okay, so the purpose here for this discussion is you want to start to think about and understand the three different types of irony, three main types of irony that we encounter traditionally. So, and then apply your understanding to a situation of your choice. So what you're going to want to do first is watch these three videos down here. Here's 1, 2, 3. And they cover each of the different types of irony that we're going to be focusing on. Verbal irony, in terms of dramatic irony, and then also situational irony. So once you've watched those videos and have an understanding of what those concepts mean, then what you want to do is think about the reading that you've done, any reading that you've done for this class, one of the readings that you've used, or you can also think of another situation in real life, another story, or another movie that's going to demonstrate one of these types of irony. Alright, so if you're confused or don't really know where to start with one of the readings that you've done for this class and think about where do you see a certain type of irony. Now, once you've done that part, you're going to write a post of 150 words where you describe your chosen situation and the irony within it. So tell us about this irony. What I want you to do here also is leave at least one quote from any of the videos and a timestamp. Here's an example of a timestamp. And then be sure to discuss in your 150 words that you're writing up here how the quote ties in, relates, or demonstrates the point you're making about irony and your text or experience. So also be sure to leave a title, one quote and a title of the video. So if it's what is verbal irony at 1 minute and 36 seconds, and then here's the quote. That way we know which quote you're using, which video you're using, and how it ties in, how you're discussing irony in a certain reading from this class or another story, movie, or real life situation. Alright, so that's what you're going to do here for step 1, and then don't forget in step 2 here, you've got a reply to do, so respond to 2 classmates, try to comment on posts that don't have responses. You know how to do this so far. 100 words minimum, and then here's some things that you can, some suggestions for things that you can address. Alright, so that's what you have to do for this assignment 4A, understanding irony. If you have questions about this or anything else, let me know.